Hi everyone, Dr. Katie here. This video is being posted on Tuesday, September 7th, 2021. Today, I'm coming to you from our new Biomedical Equipment Technology Lab inside the Professional Center here on campus. I hope you all enjoyed your Labor Day weekend. We're now in the second week of the semester, and I'm excited to announce that our enrollment for fall 2021 is at 560 total students, a 12% increase from fall 2020. More than 40 high school students are taking part in our various dual enrollment programs. Over 20 of those students participate in our Industry Fast Track program, which means they are taking a full-time college course load to complete their first year of college while still in high school. In addition, students from Forest City Regional High School, Honesdale High School, Wallenpaupack Area High School, and Western Wayne High School are participating in our recently announced Distance Learning program. This program is funded in part by a grant from the United States Department of Agriculture's Distance Learning and Telemedicine Grant Program. As we celebrate a record number of students enrolled for the third year in a row, the largest incoming freshman class, and the largest dual enrollment class, it demonstrates how Johnson College works hard to do its part to fill the skills gap in today's job market. Thank you to our enrollment team and the entire Johnson College community for helping us achieve this goal. And thank you to all of our students for choosing Johnson College. Speaking of enrolling, did you know Johnson College's Continuing Education Department has courses developed in partnership with industry that you can enroll in throughout the year? Industry professionals teach many of our continuing education courses, including our 510-hour Computer Numerical Control Machining training. This 510-hour class is now accepting students for its next session. The class is held at Don's Machine Shop in West Pittston, and it includes theory and hands-on training of some of the most state-of-the-art equipment in the region. This unique, one-of-a-kind training will help open up new career opportunities for you right away. Space is limited. To learn more or to enroll in the 510-hour CNC machining training at Don's Machine Shop, contact our Continuing Education Department or visit johnson.edu/continuing education. The relationship between Don's Machine Shop and Johnson College truly demonstrates how industry is our students' campus. As I mentioned, I'm on campus in the Biomedical Equipment Technology Lab inside our Professional Center. This location is a temporary one. This lab and some of the offices here in our Professional Center will move into the Gateway building that will be constructed where Richmond Hall once stood. Many on campus are working on the plans for the new building and preparing for its construction. I can't say much about it now, but I promise to update you throughout this academic year, so stay tuned. It's a big year for our Biomedical Equipment Technology program. The program has a new lab, and it also has a new program director. I want to welcome Alan Miller to our faculty and the Biomedical Equipment Technology team. Mr. Miller earned an associate in specialized technology in biomedical equipment technology in 1987 right here at Johnson College and spent many years working in the biomed field. Welcome back to campus, Mr. Miller. Mr. Miller replaces Mr. Doug Hampton, who retired after 18 years of dedication to Johnson College. Thank you, Doug, for teaching our students the essential skills needed to succeed in the workforce. Happy retirement. Our two-year Biomedical Equipment Technology Associate Degree program prepares students as entry-level biomedical technicians. Skills training includes medical terminology and human physiology principles in the maintenance and support, planning and acquisition, and installation of medical equipment. If you or someone you know is interested in this career path, more information is available at johnson.edu. This week, I want to thank all of our biomedical equipment technology industry partners, such as Geisinger Wyoming Valley in Wilkes-Barre, Lehigh Valley Hospital in Pottsville and Allentown, Physicians Resource Incorporated in Mountaintop, and Regional Hospital of Scranton, just to name a few. When they wanted to fill their workforce over the past few years, they hired many of our biomedical equipment technology graduates who worked hard to learn the skills needed to excel in this industry. Thank you. Industry is our students' campus. And now for my final note of the week. As you all know, I'm a big reader of fiction. One of my favorite books from this summer is the novel Mary Jane by Jessica Anya Blau. It's a great coming-of-age story about 14-year-old Mary Jane, who was torn between her straight-laced conservative parents and the progressive rock and roll family she is working for as a nanny in the summer of 1975. You will appreciate how she learns to balance the values instilled in her by her parents against those newly discovered beliefs she is developing throughout this summer. It's a great story about the family we were born into, the family we create, and the ways in which we develop our personal identity and our view of the world. I highly recommend it. That's it for this week's presidential update video from our Biomedical Equipment Technology Lab inside the Professional Center here on campus. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, be well, and have a great week.